Welcome to the kitchen. Our next dish is a vegetarian mofongo. This is a traditional dish from Puerto Rico, and we are going to be using our sofrito, which I just made in it, and we're also going to be using green plantains. So we want to show you the difference right here of our different plantains. These are yellow plantains. This is a ripe one. You can see how it changes color. And then this is the green plantain, and this is a ripe green plantain with more of these dark spots. So for our vegetarian mofongo, we're going to use green plantains, and we're going to cut them into 1-inch pieces.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
Okay, we have our mise en place. We're getting everything measured now and preparing them. Our plantains, these are really hard. They're not a banana. This is not a banana, and it's very firm. In order to peel it, it's best to take off the top and the bottom and to score it with your knife. That makes it much easier to remove. Otherwise, it really is very difficult, okay? And then you can run your finger along the edge and loosen it up. Like that, and you can peel it off. And if it's giving you a hard time, you can use a knife to help you. Some people even use the back of a spoon. So whichever way works best for you. There we go. All right, once you get everything off, then you're gonna cut them into 1-inch segments, about that big.
So for our mofongo, we're going to boil all of our plantains, and then we're going to saute them in a frying pan and then mash it all together with a potato masher. So I want to cut our cilantro really nice and fine, so I'm cutting it very small. Our water is rapidly boiling, and I have our plantains. Now, whenever you're working with plantains, put them in a bowl of cold water so they don't turn brown. So I'm just gonna strain these out and add them in, and we're gonna boil it for 25 minutes. This has been boiling for 25 minutes, and you see how the fork goes in easily? Now it's done. So we're gonna drain it, and then we're gonna let it cool and mash it. Here are our cooled plantains, and we are now gonna mash them up. I'm just gonna use a potato masher. Now, if you are in Puerto Rico, though, they have a large wooden mortar and pestle called a pilon, and that's where you mash all the ingredients together. I'm going to saute our garlic and then our sofrito, add in our mashed plantains, our tomato sauce, vegetable broth, Sazon and seasonings, put it back in here, stir it all together, and add the fresh cilantro, and then we will plate. I have our large skillet over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add in our olive oil, and we're going to get our garlic in there. Just wait a couple seconds for the olive oil to warm up. There we go. And we got your garlic a little golden brown. And then we're going to add in the sofrito. That was a 1/4 cup of our freshly made sofrito. And it smells amazing, absolutely wonderful. Now I'm going to let it simmer for a minute. We're gonna add in our tomatoes. While that's simmering, I'm gonna add my Sazon Goya, but I'm gonna reserve the pepper and salt to the end of the dish. Now I'm going to add in the plantains that we mashed. Just stand back so you don't splat it on yourself. The plantain is so starchy that I'm using the potato masher to mix this all in on the skillet. So this really does give you a little bit of a workout here, mashing all these plantains. I've turned the heat down to low, and now we're gonna add in our half a cup of vegetable broth. We're making a vegetarian mofongo. Mofongo is fantastic because a lot of times it can be served with shrimp, mofongo camarón, or pork, chicharrones, or anything you could make and serve it sort of like an accompaniment. Shrimp is one of the most popular. As soon as all the ingredients are incorporated on the stove, we're gonna take it off the heat, put it in a bowl, and now we will add our 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and our 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We're gonna mix that in, and our 1 bunch of finely chopped cilantro. This is a vegetable mofongo, and we're really getting some nice bright color. So now we're just gonna stir this together. Our mofongo is complete, and we're gonna serve this. I'm doing this in the school, so I'm serving small portions to all the students. So I'm just gonna use a yogurt container. I'm gonna pack it in here, invert it on the plate, and garnish. But if you're at home and you're feeding your family, you wanna use a larger mug like this. Now, make sure you spray it liberally with nonstick cooking spray to make sure that you can get it out of the vessel, because once you pack it in, it's really, really sticky. It's gonna stick. So you have to pretty much bang it out, okay? So just be careful that you don't break anything when you're doing that. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe one day I'll actually have a cameraman and more stuff. So please click like and subscribe so I can get maybe eventually one day money from YouTube so I can make my videos more elaborate. Let's see if this works. Aha, it did work. First try, thank God. Okay, so now we have our beautiful mofongo. We want to garnish it. So we're gonna add some of the finely chopped cilantro. We'll just put this around and on the plate a little bit, look at nice. And then right here I have, these are pickled red onions that we made last year. So there is a YouTube demonstration on my channel, and this can be a garnish too. Just put these around and that makes it really look great. I love the pickled red onions. They're so good, delicious. So here is our beautiful vegetarian mofongo. I hope this inspires you to try it at home. Please check out our other video demonstration on how to make the sofrito, which is what is in this recipe. Thank you, everybody. Take care.
Thank you so much for watching. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.